I'm really nervous, but I want to take photos of that couple over there. I'm just really nervous to go up to them. They're like on a blanket, it's really cute, and the sun is going. I need to go fast. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Excuse me? Hey you guys, I have a question. So I'm a photographer. This is kind of weird, but I take photos of like random couples and I give people free photos. Would you guys be interested? It'd be like 5 minutes of photos, they'd be free. You can say no if you don't want to.
Yeah, okay.
You want to? Are you good with me like putting them on social media and stuff like that? Oh my gosh, amazing. Okay, what are your guys' names?
My name is Samhita.
Say it again.
Samhita.
Sampita?
Samhita and Sharmukh.
Chanmuk and Sampita.
Samhita.
Okay, I'm gonna try really hard to remember those. Okay, do you guys wanna would you be okay to standing up for them? Okay, cute. I love your camera too. Your camera's so cute. Is it, it's doing Polaroids? Oh, that's so fun. Would you guys wanna do a photo with it? Oh, this is my sibling Kimber. Kimber takes videos for me. Is that okay with you guys? Yeah, okay, awesome. Okay, go ahead and come over here. Well, we won't go far from your stuff, I promise. Okay, I kind of want you to stand and face each other, and you're gonna hold both hands in the middle. Does that make sense? Yeah. Sorry, you probably weren't ready for photos. Oh, that's beautiful, and just look at each other. Gorgeous, this is beautiful. I'm gonna get one further away with like the sunset, so just hang out right there. That's beautiful. Okay, I'm just getting the sunset and everything. Are you okay to like lean in for a kiss for one? Yeah. Would you want to? Okay, give me 1 second. Cute, and then will you guys turn this way? I'm gonna get those clouds in the back because those are so cool. So like, maybe like hold one hand and then just look off that way. And then look at each other. Yeah, cute. That's so cute. And then will you go in for a kiss right in the middle? Cute. Okay, I kind of want to have you do one where you're like pretending to take a photo of her with the camera. Would you want to do that? Okay, yeah. You guys are so fun. Thanks for doing this. Okay, maybe stand like, will you guys stand right here? Yeah. I'm going to shoot that way. And then like, let's see. Oh yeah, that's cute. Will you just stand and look at him? That's so cute. Cute. Okay, let's do one more. Can I have you put the camera down? Sorry to hijack your sunset. Are you guys on a trip for like the holiday? Oh, that's so fun. Oh, this is beautiful with the clouds. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to think. I can kind of only get a silhouette. Do you guys want to do one where you kind of put your hands up in the sky and like hold hands? Does that make sense? So you'll kind of like lace your fingers together type of thing. Does that make sense? Yeah, put them up a little higher. Yeah, that's awesome. And then kind of just like move your hands all around, crazy. Just like, yeah, play handsies. Yeah, cute. And then look at each other. That's cute. Can I get one? Oh wait, there's a bird. Okay, can I get, what'd you say? Oh, you're good. Let's get one. Oh wait, will you guys stand right here? I'm gonna get that bird between you. Just like face each other really quick. Yeah, cute. Awesome, we got him. Okay, oh yeah, he's trying to get your stuff. Sorry, go away. Okay, can I get one more of you guys facing that way and then we'll call it good? Okay, maybe will you face each other? And you can like get in really close, kind of like go in tummy to tummy. And then if you want to like put your hand on the side of her face, that'd be cute. Do you want to do that? So you'll like turn toward each other. Yeah, like face each other all the way. Okay. And then you'll like put your hand on the side of her face. Like you're gonna pull her in for a kiss, kind of. Okay, go for it. Cute, and then look at each other. Cute. That's gorgeous, we got it. Good job, you guys.